Okay, so today we're going to show you how to do dumbbell reverse flies using a bench. So you're going to grab a bench, some dumbbells, grab lighter weights to try if you haven't done this before. And what you're doing is you're hinging at the hip, so not rounding at the back until your chest is almost at the knees. Can you hinge a little bit more? Good, right there. And then squeeze your shoulder blades back and down. And then arms can be slightly locked out how they are right now. And then open up to the sides. You can squeeze back here. Good. Slow on the way back down. Good. And then now pull your head into my hand a little bit more. Good. Now do it again. Good. Keep this squeeze the whole time and then slow all the way back down. One more. Keep squeezing the shoulder blades down and back into me as you extend outwards. Perfect. And if you find that every time you're doing this, you're sitting up taller and taller and taller, then the weight is too heavy. The way we were doing it was perfect. All right, so that's how you do your dumbbell reverse fly using a bench.